You ever notice sometimes life push you back to a place you never planned for go? Some people right now are face uncertainty, not knowing where them are going to end up, not knowing how things are going to turn out, and fear start whisper. What if me have to start over? What if me lose everything? But hear this, tree never fear when it get replanted because the strength was never in the location. It was always in the root. Same way with you. Your strength not come from country or job or status. It come from what's inside you. Your resilience, your faith, your mindset. So even if life shift you, you're not starting over. You're just planting in a new place. And anything we're rooted will grow again. So stay grounded because once you're rooted, anywhere can become home. As so it go, you tell me. Big up yourself.